Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Mongolian noodles with ground beef. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1/2 cup of beef broth, sesame seeds for garnish, 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. I have 3 scallions chopped, 6 garlic cloves minced, 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 10 to 12 ounces of linguine noodles, and also 1 pound of ground beef. And salt will be at your own discretion. In a pot of boiling water, we're going to add in our noodles. And we're going to cook them according to the package, which is 8 minutes. Now to our pan, we're going to add in our tablespoon of olive oil, and we're going to bring that to temperature. Now we're going to add in our minced garlic. You want to saute that for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you can add in your ground beef. Now we're just going to break down our meat, and we're going to cook it until it's all brown. Now to my ground beef, I'm going to add my black pepper. And I'm just going to mix it in. And you guys can add salt if you would like. That'll be at your own discretion. Once your ground beef is done cooking, you want to remove it from your pan, drain it of all excess grease. Now to a bowl, you want to add in your soy sauce, your ginger, your sesame oil, your brown sugar, and also the hoisin sauce. And all we're going to do is whisk that until it's well combined. Next, we're going to take our 1/2 cup of beef broth, and we're going to put our cornstarch in. And all you're going to do is mix it until it's well combined to make a slurry. Once your pasta is done, you want to go ahead and drain it. After you drained all the grease from your ground beef, return it back to your pan, and we're going to pour our sauce over top. You want to go ahead and mix that in until it's well combined. Now I'm going to add in some scallions. We're going to mix that around. And now you can add in your beef broth slurry. And you want to go ahead and stir it so everything is well incorporated, and it should thicken up. Okay guys, as you can see, the sauce is nice and thick, so you can go ahead and turn your heat off. Now we're going to begin to add our pasta in. Now all you do is mix it until everything is nicely coated and well combined. Okay guys, so our Mongolian noodles with ground beef is now done. And now you can go ahead and garnish it with some scallions on top. And also some sesame seeds. So guys, this is a meal that you can make in under 20 minutes that the whole family can enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.